How do you increase leads in home construction businesses with video? Well, video marketing is a powerful tool for home construction businesses, especially on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, just like this one. These platforms let you showcase your project, share customer testimonials, and give potential clients a behind-the-scenes look at your process. But to really maximize the efforts, integrating AI technology is key. So for example, AI tools can help you create personalized video ads that target specific demographics, making your marketing more efficient and cost-effective. Platforms like BigView and InVideo.io offer AI-powered features to streamline video creation and even optimization. Additionally, AI chatbots connected to your Facebook and Instagram videos can engage visitors instantly, answering questions, booking consultations literally as soon as they watch the video. This means potential leads are nurtured without any delay, increasing your chances of booking more consultations. Another tip is to use AI analytics tools to track video performance. Now, this helps you understand what content resonates most with your audience so you can refine your strategy and see a better ROI. So by leveraging video marketing on the right platform and integrating AI, you can attract more high-quality leads and grow your home construction business efficiently.